Well, it's Monday, September 23rd.
She looks a bit different.
We unloaded it Wednesday, pretty much took the week off.
Doug come out Saturday, pulled the motor and stripped her down. Not good on the motor, but not as bad as it could be so far. That is rod cap. Looks like a rod bolt broke. It's got a hole on this side too where it started to come out. She's going on this pallet and headed to Durham's tomorrow. We got somebody coming Wednesday to look at that car, see about buying it.
Our truck and trailer could possibly be coming up for sale in a couple weeks if anybody's interested.
Probably gonna, once we get the motor on that pallet and ready to go tomorrow to Durham's, probably gonna wash this thing real good.
So we can start the winter rebuild. Stick around. And just like that, she's ready to go. Heading to North Carolina tomorrow. Big shout out to Kyle Steffens and Global Plus Shipping. That's who we went through to ship this. Can ship it a lot cheaper than we can take it down there ourselves. About half the cost of what it would take us just in gas to get down there.
So if you need something shipped, check out Global Plus Logistics.
Well, when you got parts hanging out the motor and everything's coated in oil, you make it snow with a foam party. It's a Zep Citric degreaser.
Works pretty good. Fill the foam cannon up.
Well, I come down.
Let her sit on there and get most of it off.
Nobody was here.
When did you come down?
That's what that kiddie pool's in there for. Let it soak in there 2 or 3 days. You'd be surprised how much junk comes out of it.
I tell you what, this one don't hold the dirt like them other ones.
Well, she's clean. Just in time for it to start raining. Get her rolled in there.
She's gonna be going to Daryn's house soon. He's gonna strip it down, put a new deck and body on it, go through it. Is the plan as of right now, anyway.
Oh. Never ends. Even though race season's over, we never stop.
Well, for all the people that says Dave doesn't do any work, he does do work. It's just at the racetrack I can't show what he does. We're getting the oil system out of it. Gonna get that cleaned up. It's Thursday night. Oh!
Dropped it on my finger. That car's still for sale. We had somebody come look at it. Not sure
If he wants to take it, he's thinking about it.
starting to flush the lines, make sure there's no junk left in them.
Get her all cleaned up. Winter rebuild is on.
We got the oil pump out of it, oil cooler. All the oil lines are off. Dave's being a jack in the box, just popping out. That's the bottom of the dry sump tank. It's flakes, but no chunks, which is a good thing. A real good thing.
No chunks means less expensive motor rebuild. Did you talk to Durham and see if that motor got there?
Not yet, no.
Motor shipped Tuesday, probably got there today or tomorrow, so.
Should have been there today.
Yeah.
Well, it's Saturday, September 28th, about 12:30. Doug and Tyler came in this morning and
Got the truck and trailer all washed up.
Doug couldn't stick around. He had to go home and do something with his wife, so not much gonna happen today.
This is for sale. Truck and trailer. Got Daryn calling me.
Well, I'm back. This thing is officially for sale. Truck and trailer. We'll sell it separate or as a package unit. Send us an email. link in the description if you're interested. The white car is still for sale. The guy's not sure he wants it. We can sell it kind of any different stage, however you would like it. If you're interested, also email us if you're interested in it. Have Mike Dargie 410 Ford, got 650 laps on it, fresh valve springs. It is for sale as well. If you're interested, let us know. We're not quitting. We've got some things in the works for next year, and we're just trying to get wheels in motion to make that happen. So there'll be some stuff coming up later towards the end of the year, probably, on what's going to go on. But good trailer, good truck, nothing wrong with it. It is clean, everything works like it should. Did us good this year. Just some things we really liked about our liftgate trailer. Maybe trying to go back that way. I don't know what Doug's got in mind, but if it don't sell, we will use it next year, without a doubt. Just like I said, got several things in motion. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a line. I'm going to try and keep you guys updated. And we will catch you all later.